Right, let's get into it. Right, today I want to show you how you can invest through Easy Equity using your tax free. So, as we know, a couple of years ago, the government put in regulations where you can invest 36,000 annually, and it mustn't exceed like 500,000 on like the total investment or total number of years that you're investing. So whatever that you invest must not go above 500,000. So today I want to show you my tax free that I'm investing into is equity through is equity. Actually, I started yesterday. Okay, but I started quite some time ago investing through is equity. It's been 2 years now. Fortunately enough, I've been seeing like nice returns this year as I invested heavily during the COVID-19 pandemic because some shares were at a very cheaper price, but we're not there. Let's dive into it. So, as you can see here, this is the money that is available for me to invest, 3,748.40. So then what you do, you will go to invest. Now let's click there. Then once you are here, it will take you through products that you can be able to invest in. As we can see, we have ETFs, we have baskets, we have bundles. So from here, from these ETFs, they sort of like categorize them in terms of risk. We have low risk ETFs, the Thrive, which is one of the program that is equity is doing. So you can just go in their website in their website. I'll put the link below so that you can go check it in. So then we also have risk conservative and so on and so on. So let's see today if we sort of like going to uh, um, risk aggressive ETFs that we can buy. As we can see, there's quite a number of them. So just a disclaimer: I have done my research before this video in terms of what am I going to buy. So you don't just jump in and buy. You have to do your research and make sure that you understand. And as well, this video is not really here to tell you what to buy, but it's sort of like showing you how to use the platform. So showing you my own personal account with real money. So here is Nasdaq 100. Let's get into this ETF and see what we have there. So as you can see, it will take you throughout this screen. So when you here, normally I usually go here, click what's been happening. So it will sort of like show you the price, what's the price of this ETF, what's the last price, what is the selling price. If you had shares, this is the price that you could sell. So buying price, which if I buy now, this is the price that I'll buy. Mind you, what you're seeing here, there is a 15 minutes delay, which means this is not really a true reflection of what the price is. It might be cheaper than this or higher than this. So here you sort of like get the description of how is this ETF structured. So once we here, then we can have a look around, check it out. In 1 month, it's been down 3.33%. Then in 3 months, it's been up by 28%. In six, 34. In 1 year, it's been like 48%. Therefore, it's 100 and something, the maximum. So since we are buying now, let's go here. So here it's sort of like specify how much you want to invest in this ETF. So I'm thinking let's go for 250. Why not? So you just click here, then you click here if you want to invest once, but if you want to do a recurring, probably every month, you know that you have a certain X amount that you want to invest. So you just click here, then it will buy shares automatically. But for now, I'm just want to show you the once off. So Then here you can also see that you can put the amount. As you can see my history, look at this amount of shares that I've bought shares at 11 rand, guys, 11 rand. So I remember I started with 50 bucks. So I was buying shares at 4 rand. Then, yeah, okay, but we're not there. So we said we're going to put 250. We click on 250. Then we click once. Let's see what happens then. So then it takes us here, it's 250, then it shows us the trade value, which means this is the actual money that we're investing. This is how much the investment is costing us. So we go on invest now. Right. Then they tell us that they have a break illegal. No, we're not gonna break today. So then, now that we've just bought this ETN, we need to go and see where is it. So you will go to account overview. So if you go to account overview, um, then you will go view holdings. From here, we have Nasdaq 100. As you can see, you see it's 260 something because yesterday I bought some small now. So then here we can see that we actually have two shares for now because shares are sort of like trading at this amount. We have two shares. So then when the share price increases, that's where we're gonna start to see the profit probably if it hits 500 or something. But that's a long time of holding that we need to do. As we can see in this, it comes from 95. So yeah, we bought it at 90 at 93. So we're gonna see again what's gonna happen in a couple of months. I'm gonna make some videos, and I decided to take this my tax-free saving for you guys. So we'll be doing every time when I buy, I'll do a video. Then we'll do some updates. Then we'll sell together, just to show you how um, is it done. While we're there, I just wanna take note that you must also look at how much your investing is costing you, because if it's costing you a lot, therefore, which means it's eating on your profit. So then your profit is not just being reflected on what you see on the screen, because there's also like charges that are being deducted, even though it's tax free. But what I like about this is that whenever I cash out my shares, I sell my shares, um, they won't be taxed. And just like everybody, I started from saving, then yeah, then I thought that I was investing when I was saving, up until I learned the difference between investing and saving, of which there's another video that is coming for you guys. So stay tuned and wait for some exciting new content that I'll be diving in through, like investing, taking you through what I'm doing. Sometimes I'll be doing such stuff like this that is live. This is sort of like real money that I put it. Even though equity does offer your demo and your US dollar demo, your ZAR demo, and your RA, retirement annuity. Probably I'll take you there one day. But for now, guys, this is it. So check up the link, easyEquity link, if you want to read more about the product that they offer. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. I can't wait to see you again. Have a lovely day. God bless. Thank you, because I know that you're gonna hit that button and subscribe for more videos, because I know that this video has inspired you that you can start investing as little as 50 bucks a month. Thank you. Ciao, ciao.